Vitamin A. First up is vitamin A. And before you say, oh, that's the eye one, yes it is. But it's doing a lot more than just helping you see in the dark. Vitamin A is responsible for your vision, your immune system, and the health of every single surface inside your body, that is your skin, your lungs, and your gut lining. Think of it as the maintenance crew that never sleeps. And unlike some vitamins that work quietly in the background, vitamin A is actively involved in processes happening inside you every single minute. Here's where it gets interesting. Your eyes have special cells called rods. These are the ones that detect light in dark environments. Vitamin A is literally the raw material those rods use to function. No vitamin A, those rods go on strike. That's why severe deficiency causes night blindness, and in the worst cases, total blindness. It's still the leading cause of preventable blindness in children worldwide. So yeah, not just a mom thing, but it doesn't stop at your eyes. Vitamin A also keeps your immune system sharp. It helps produce white blood cells that hunt down infections before they spread. And it maintains the integrity of your skin and the linings of your organs, basically the walls that keep bacteria and viruses from walking straight into your bloodstream. When those walls weaken, infections don't knock, they just walk in. You find it in liver, eggs, dairy, and in plant form, carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Eat your carrots, not because it's cute advice, because your eyes are literally counting on it. Vitamin B. Now here's where it gets a little chaotic because vitamin B is not one vitamin. It's 8. 8 different compounds all lumped under one letter like a group project where everyone has a completely different job and somehow it still works. We're talking B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B7. They're all water-soluble. They all work deep inside your cells, and they're all absolutely essential to keeping you functional. As a group, their main mission is one thing, and that is converting the food you eat into energy your cells can actually use. Without them, your body is sitting on a full tank of fuel with no engine to burn it. B1 keeps your nervous system running and helps convert carbohydrates into energy. Deficiency causes a disease called beriberi, which yes is a real name, and no, it stops being funny when your nervous system starts shutting down. B2 supports energy production and keeps your skin, eyes, and nerve functions healthy. Low B2 makes you sensitive to light, cracks the corners of your mouth, and inflames your tongue. Subtle signs, serious consequences. B3 manages your cholesterol, repairs your DNA, and keeps your skin intact. Deficiency causes pellagra, a disease that delivers dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia all at once. 3 Ds you absolutely do not want showing up together. B5 helps synthesize hormones and metabolize nutrients. It's in almost every food, which is why deficiency is rare. When it happens, fatigue and nerve pain follow quickly. It also plays a quiet role in producing stress hormones, meaning when life gets overwhelming, your body is burning through B5 faster than usual. B6 is critical for brain chemistry. It helps produce serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, the neurotransmitters that control your mood, sleep, and motivation. Low B6 doesn't just make you tired. It makes you irritable, anxious, and mentally foggy without any obvious reason why. A lot of people living with unexplained mood swings have never once had their B6 checked. B7 supports fat metabolism and is essential for healthy hair, skin, and nails. This is the one beauty brands plaster all over supplement bottles. It's not wrong, but biotin does far more than grow your hair. It keeps your entire metabolism running efficiently at a cellular level. The B vitamins are found in whole grains, legumes, eggs, meat, and leafy greens. Think of them as the engine room workers of your metabolism. The moment they stop showing up, the whole operation slows down. Vitamin C. Vitamin C might be the most famous vitamin on the planet. Everyone reaches for it the second they feel a sniffle coming. And while it won't magically cure your cold overnight, sorry, it does something far more fundamental that most people completely overlook. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen. And collagen is the structural protein that holds your entire body together. Your skin, your blood vessels, your bones, your tendons, your cartilage. Everything. Without vitamin C, collagen production stops, and things start to fall apart, literally. This is exactly what happened to sailors in the 1400s through 1700s on long sea voyages with no access to fresh fruit. They developed a disease called scurvy, where their gums bled, their teeth fell out, old wounds that had already healed simply reopened, their joints swelled, and they eventually died from what was essentially their body losing its structural integrity. The cure was limes, just limes. Which is why British sailors were called limeys. History is wild. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals that silently damage your cells day after day. It supercharges your immune response, accelerates wound healing, and helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods. And here's something most people don't know. Your body cannot store vitamin C. It's water-soluble, which means whatever you don't use gets flushed out. You need a fresh supply every single day. Vitamin C is found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, kiwis, and broccoli. Just eat the orange. Your body has been asking for it this whole time. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is technically a hormone more than a vitamin, but we'll let that slide. What makes it completely unique is that your body can actually manufacture it on its own. The catch? It needs direct sunlight on your skin to do it, which means if you spend your entire life indoors staring at screens, and honestly, who doesn't, there is a very real chance you are deficient right now. Vitamin D's primary job is managing calcium and phosphorus absorption, which means it is directly responsible for bone strength. Without it, children develop rickets, where bones become so soft they literally bend under the body's own weight. Adults develop osteomalacia, a painful bone softening that leads to fractures from the most minor impact. But vitamin D's role goes well beyond bones. Research has connected it to immune regulation, mood stability, muscle function, and cardiovascular health. Low levels have been consistently linked to depression, frequent infections, chronic fatigue, and higher risk of autoimmune diseases. What makes this especially alarming is that vitamin D deficiency is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies in the world, affecting people in sunny countries just as much as cold ones, simply because modern life keeps us indoors. Vitamin D shows up in fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods, but sunlight remains the most powerful source by far. 10 to 15 minutes of direct sun exposure daily makes a significant difference. Go outside. Your bones and your brain are both waiting. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is your body's fat-soluble antioxidant, and its entire mission in life is protection, specifically protecting your cell membranes from oxidative damage, the kind of slow, invisible, accumulating damage that quietly contributes to aging, chronic inflammation, heart disease, and cancer over years and decades. Here's a simple way to think about it. Free radicals are unstable molecules bouncing around inside your body, punching holes in your cells. Vitamin E plants itself in the membrane of every cell and neutralizes those free radicals before they cause lasting damage. It's the bodyguard standing between your cells and the chaos trying to destroy them. And because it's fat-soluble, it specifically protects the fatty parts of your cells, the membranes, the brain tissue, and the myelin coating on your nerves. On top of that, vitamin E supports immune function, helps widen blood vessels to prevent dangerous clotting, and plays a role in skin repair and eye health. Deficiency is uncommon in healthy people, but when it occurs, the results include nerve damage, muscle weakness, immune suppression, and progressive vision problems. You get vitamin E from nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy greens. Almonds are one of the richest sources. If you needed a scientific excuse to eat a handful of almonds every day, consider this your prescription. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is the most underappreciated vitamin on this entire list. Nobody talks about it at dinner. Nobody puts it on supplement packaging in big, bold letters. But the moment you get a cut and your blood clots properly, instead of just flowing out of you indefinitely, that is vitamin K doing its quiet, life-saving job. Vitamin K activates a specific set of proteins in your blood that form clots and stop bleeding. Without it, even a minor wound becomes a medical emergency. This is exactly why newborn babies are given a vitamin K injection within hours of birth. They enter the world with almost none of it, and without that shot, they face a risk of spontaneous internal bleeding that can reach the brain. That one small injection at birth has saved more lives than most people will ever know. But vitamin K does something else that gets almost no attention. It works in partnership with vitamin D to control where calcium goes in your body. Vitamin D brings calcium in. Vitamin K directs it into your bones and teeth where it belongs, and away from your arteries where it causes dangerous calcification. Without vitamin K doing that traffic control job, calcium builds up in the wrong places and contributes directly to cardiovascular disease. 2 vitamins, 1 team, both essential, found in leafy greens, spinach, broccoli, and in fermented foods. Quietly essential, dangerously underrated. Eat your greens. Vitamin B12. B12 gets its own section because it is in a completely different league of importance. Cobalamin. Its technical name does 3 things your survival depends on. It builds red blood cells, it protects your nerve fibers, and it keeps your brain functioning properly. When B12 drops too low, red blood cells grow large, malformed, and dysfunctional, a condition called megaloblastic anemia. These cells cannot carry oxygen efficiently. The result is crushing fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath, and a brain fog so thick that people often get misdiagnosed with depression or burnout before anyone checks their B12 levels. But the more frightening effect is neurological. B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective coating wrapped around your nerve fibers that allows electrical signals to travel fast and accurately. Without enough B12, that coating degrades. Nerve signals start misfiring. You get tingling, numbness, coordination problems, memory loss, and in severe long-term cases, irreversible neurological damage. Here is the critical warning. B12 is found almost exclusively in animal products: meat, fish, shellfish, eggs, and dairy. If you follow a vegan or strict vegetarian diet and you are not actively supplementing B12, your nervous system is running on borrowed time. Deficiency builds slowly, sometimes over years, before the damage becomes obvious. By the time symptoms are severe, some of it cannot be undone. Supplement. Get your levels checked. This one is not optional. Vitamin B9. Last but absolutely not least. Vitamin B9, better known as folate. If B12 is the nerve protector, B9 is the architect. Its entire function revolves around one core process, and that is building new cells. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair. Every time a cell in your body divides and copies itself, which happens billions of times a day, folate is the compound that ensures that DNA gets copied accurately. Without it, cells divide incorrectly, DNA errors accumulate, and the risk of cancer quietly rises. Your body is essentially a copying machine running all day, every day, and folate is the quality control system making sure nothing goes wrong. But the most critical application of folate is during pregnancy. In the earliest weeks of fetal development, often before a woman even knows she is pregnant, folate is responsible for forming the neural tube, which becomes the baby's brain and spinal cord. A deficiency at that precise window causes neural tube defects, conditions like spina bifida and anencephaly that result in lifelong disability or death. This is why folate supplementation is recommended for every woman of childbearing age, not just those actively trying to conceive. The window is too early and too narrow to wait. Beyond pregnancy, folate works alongside B12 to regulate homocysteine, an amino acid that at high levels damages blood vessels and dramatically increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. These two vitamins are a team. When one is missing, the other cannot do its job properly. Folate is found in dark leafy greens, legumes, lentils, avocados, and fortified grains. Eat the spinach. Take the supplement if needed. Your cells are dividing right now. Give them what they need to do it right.